What's going on, fam? What's up, y'all? We back with another one, man. Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody out there doing well. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell when y'all do subscribe. Y'all see the title. We got the autopsy results of Nolan well. So let's. I ain't even got really much to say about it. I want to see what's going on. So let's get into it, man. Get what y'all need, and let's get to it. Uh, man, we know he was murdered. Not the organs. It ain't odd in a case like this, bro. They try to cover up everything, bro. They want them kids and the parents that had an involvement, bro. They trying to cover up everything, bro. They killed that little boy. Right. So that's evidence. you gotta be prepared. You gotta be prepared. Right. Yeah. No facts. Umar Johnson would be a good person. Right. Yeah, they did something bad to this boy. Rest in peace, man. Right. Mm-mm. No, it's not. Right. Exactly. As to how he died. My question is this: is that ever gonna get turned over to him? And are y'all gonna sit and try to do what I think and cover this all the way up, not send it over and try to say he drowned and leave it at that? I think that's what y'all gonna try to do, but I don't know. I hope this family put up a fight and they can get his organs to better determine how he died with more detail because it's plain as day he got murdered. Rest in peace to Nolan Xavier Wells. Rest in peace to him. But it and this is just sad that it happens to us all the time. And it's just then again when I was covering this Nolan Wells in my last video about it, like I said, it's so much of this that happens that don't nobody know about, and that's just crazy, bro. Like I seen a story about a kid. I don't know if he was from Chicago or not, but he was at this event in Michigan, some park or something like that. He was at some event, public event. They found him dead hanging from a tree outside the event, like in one of the trees or whatever. Like it's stuff like that. Like we go through this all over the U.S. everywhere, bro, and it's just sad, bro. We can't even be black in peace. Like it's just man. But at the end of the day, bro, we know what they did to this little boy. Rest in peace to him again. But we know what they did. It's just right now I feel like they're trying to cover up what they can. But I don't think it's too much more they can cover up. I think this is getting a lot of coverage, and I think everybody is tuned into it. So I don't know, but as far as his organs go, I do hope that it gets transported over without any foul play, without them trying to do no weird stuff. I man, because we need to know what happened. So what happens when because they wasn't being right, 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 exactly, exactly, Mm-hmm. Yeah, I need a strong voice. I think I think he's doing a good job, but I do think they need a stronger voice. They need a stronger voice. Probably a little bit more help wouldn't hurt, but mainly what they need is a stronger voice. Like what he said earlier, Dr. Umar, I wouldn't be mad at Dr. Umar coming at being like just a voice. Like he ain't got to do all the extra, but he could just be a voice to. He got a strong voice. He know how to put his words right. Like you know what I'm saying. Like that, I could see that, but then again, we never know. We don't know what's going on. Pray for the best in this case. I hope that they then again turn over his organs and stuff. But yeah, man, that's the video, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all thoughts and comments in the comment section, man. Like, comment, subscribe. When y'all subscribe, hit that notification bell. Y'all get the videos when they drop. Other than that, man, y'all be safe. Stay out the way. Stay on point. Don't let nothing. Yeah, stay on point. And just be blessed, man. And I'm gonna get you on the next one, man.